We're getting some breaking news now, which concerns a war of words that has now erupted between the Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party after Congress leader Rahul Gandhi made remarks about the Indian democracy in the United States of America. In fact, we're cutting out of that. We're getting some more breaking news as trouble is mounting for cash-strapped Pakistan. The FIA sources have told News18 that amid a dollar shortage in Pakistan and no cooperation from its central bank, Hawala and Hundi networks are gaining ground in the country. And the FIA sources also reveal that overseas Pakistanis are not using proper channels for remittances, which is the main cause of grey market dealing. Let me bring in my colleague Anand Narasimhan on the broadcast. Anand, we all know how the situation when it is about the economic condition in Pakistan, it is worsening. Now, this report is also talking about how this is going to actually get Pakistan nose diving deeper when it is about the economic situation in the country.
Yes, there have been, because right now what is happening is that a dollar is being actually sold in the open market with a difference of 30 to 35 Pakistani rupees. So the interbank rate at 285 rupees and open market trading is at 315 rupees. Now the IMF clearly has raised objections on this exchange rate in Pakistan, and the fund has actually asked Pakistan to fix this currency market before the bailout resumes. Because the financial markets are very clearly saying that these Hawala Hundi markets that are operating at a full scale in Pakistan is going to create further the economic crisis, along with, of course, the political turbulence. It's going to just add to all of this, because these market networks are getting stronger day by day. And according to a federal investigation agency, if things continue like this and dollarization continues in Pakistan, the economy will collapse. See, Pakistan anyway is struggling to even match up to its forex reserves and keep its forex reserves even above $6 billion. Right now, they're still struggling at around $4.9 billion last I remember. Now, this is something which the Financial Action Task Force is going to watch very carefully, and FATF is going to act accordingly. But all commitments right now, the FATF believes, is only on paper, because counter-financial and money laundering networks are still flourishing in Pakistan. Now, FATF is largely on money laundering, and especially if this financing is also aiding, abetting terror financing. So, if the Hawala Hundi networks are flourishing and the FATF is aware of this, once again the sanctions will come in and Pakistan will slip back into the grey list.
Yes.
So that is something which is the biggest challenge, and FATF is likely to do that. And this time it's beyond doubt that if this is the prevalent rate and this is the prevalent condition in Pakistan, there is no reason why the FATF will keep Pakistan above the grey list. So Pakistan is not ticking all the boxes, especially when it comes to handling of currency.
Absolutely, Anand, that's an important point that you've mentioned, considering there is a snub by the IMF that the Pakistan authorities have already received, and also they are delving, and this is a tightrope that they are walking, and they are going to be slipping to the grey list of FATF. How bad is it looking for Pakistan? How soon can that, or is that expected to really happen?
See, we have Nathan Porter of the IMF mission chief in Pakistan. He is saying that the authorities are focusing on restoration of proper foreign exchange market functioning and the passage of a fiscal year 2024 budget consistent with program goals and adequate financing. But the reality is it's a $6.7 billion bailout program that actually ends in June. And they have not yet completed that bailout. After which, when it comes into the next fiscal, Pakistan again has to raise about $22.8 billion to even service its debt. And beyond that, it will have to borrow further, because its market is in doldrums. So this is an endless, it's a bottomless pit. And right now what's happening is sources are saying that Pakistanis living abroad, smugglers, non-taxpayers, they are also encouraging the grey and black markets by not using the proper channels. They're not paying service charges, excise duties, taxes. They're using these illegal Hawala and Hundi networks to send money in and out of Pakistan, even for basic business trade deals, import-export orders, leisure, healthcare, children's fees and other remittances. So nothing, there is no earning that the Pakistani government should actually have is happening, because it's all happening with the grey market.
Yes.
The grey market is flourishing and the rich in Pakistan are funneling their money out of Pakistan. That's what's happening.
Right. Thank you so much for that, Anand. So after the IMF, it is the FATF that is going to come calling whether Pakistan is going to be slipping into the grey list of FATF. That's a big worry for the country, a double whammy there for Pakistan.